The Longrun LR-MF3-3300-JYT1000 is a 3.3 kilowatt EV charger module designed for electric trucks and boats, featuring a built-in DC-DC converter and 12-volt power supply. It offers high efficiency of greater than or equal to 93% for optimal power transfer and supports a wide AC input voltage range of 90 to 264 volts. With a compact design weighing 5.8 kilograms and an IP67 fully sealed waterproof rating, it is durable and suitable for harsh environments. The charger is fully compatible with CAN protocol, enabling seamless communication with battery management systems, BMS. Chengdu Longrun Chuangshi Technology Company Limited, the manufacturer, ensures quality through pre-production samples and final inspections, supports OEM/ODM and customized voltage solutions, and provides reliable service with over 20 years of industry experience.